Fourth question. Verify the associative property of intersection of sets for set A equal to minus 11 root 2 root 5 7 and B set is equal to root 3 comma root 5 comma 6 comma 13 and C equal to root 2 comma root 3 comma root 5 comma 9. We have to verify the associative property of intersection of these three sets. What is associative property of intersection of sets? That is A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B bracket then intersection C. So first we have to find out B intersection C. B intersection C equal to, what is the B set? Root 3, root 5, 6, comma 13. Intersection, and the C set is root 2, root 3, root 5, comma 9. Here what are the common elements? Root 3 and root 5. So B intersection C equal to root 3 comma root 5. Next we have to find out A intersection then B intersection C. A intersection bracket B intersection C equal to, what is the A set? Minus 11 comma root 2 comma root 5 comma 7. Intersection, then B intersection C is root 3 comma root 5. Now find the common element. Here root 5 is the common. So A intersection B intersection C equal to root 5. This is equation number 1. Next we have to find out A intersection B equal to, what is the A set? Minus 11 comma root 2 comma root 5 comma 7. Then intersection B set is root 3 comma root 5 comma 6 comma 13. Find the common element. What is the common element? Here root 5. Root 5 is the only common element. So A intersection B is equal to root 5. Next find out A intersection B bracket intersection C. What is A intersection B? Equal to root 5 intersection, write the C set. C set is root 2, root 3, root 5, comma 9. Here find the common element. Here root 5 is the common. So A intersection B bracket intersection C equal to root 5. This is equation number 2. So what is the first equation? A intersection bracket B intersection C equal to root 5. And the second equation is A intersection B bracket intersection C equal to root 5. Both are equal. So from 1 and 2, A intersection B, A intersection bracket B intersection C equal to A intersection B bracket intersection C. Hence associative property is true.